So it's always popular to complain that the American healthcare system is broken, and in some ways it is, but not for the reasons you're being told. So I came across this op-ed the other day that claimed that in America, the sicker you are, the more someone profits. So first off, call me crazy, but I think it's a good thing that we can now treat illnesses and conditions that used to make human existence a very short and miserable experience. The idea that this should be done for free is an amazing way to guarantee that no one bothers to treat more illnesses and make people's lives better and longer. But don't miss the one-size-fits-all response that is always thrown in at the end. It is not socialist to say that a nation as wealthy as ours should ensure healthcare for all. It is democratic, it is humane, and it is long overdue. Except it sort of is socialist. Like socialism, this all sounds great, right? We're a wealthy country, yes, so why shouldn't we ensure healthcare for everyone? Setting aside the weird "it's democratic" bit, because that doesn't really make any sense, what is the answer here? After all, healthcare, like any product or service, can never be actually free unless you want doctors and nurses to live on $0 a day, and it also relies on supply and demand like anything else. And don't be fooled by the shiny illusion of European utopias. Socialized systems ration care, delay treatment, and restrict innovation. In the UK, people die waiting for cancer treatment. In Canada, they cross the border for care they can't get at home. And yes, taxes are sky high. That's not free. That's just shifting the cost, shifting the responsibility, and bearing the blame. For the 1000th time, our healthcare system has problems. But when push comes to shove, I'd rather be dealing with an expensive system that gets results than a free one that leaves people to die on waiting lists because the government controls every aspect of your health. And that's the key issue. In this article, the author blames deregulation, but reality says otherwise. Healthcare is one of the most regulated sectors in the US economy. Thousands of pages of red tape, licensing barriers, mandates, and price controls. That's not a free market, that's basically a government-protected cartel. And that's before you throw in the fact that Americans are subsidizing drug prices in foreign countries, something Trump is going after with his most favored nation executive order on prescription drugs. And what about this part? Complaining that so many people have to fundraise to pay for medical treatment. But what do you think taxes are? It's a GoFundMe that everyone is forced to donate to. Why is the answer here to force everyone to give through taxes rather than making healthcare cheaper? Because when has government made anything cheaper? Did healthcare premiums go up or down after Obamacare? The answer is never more bureaucracy, never Medicare for all, never bankrupting taxpayers to fund a DMV-style national health system. The answer is real competition, price transparency, deregulated innovation, and yes, trust in the American people to make choices for themselves. The moment you say healthcare is a right, you make it a right that bureaucrats control. We need more people getting better quality care, that's obvious. But that will never make government the answer. Don't be fooled, government is not the cure. It's the disease.